To adjust brightness on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. From here, you can tap and pull the brightness up or down, or if you tap and hold it, you'll get a nice, large brightness toggle you can adjust. If for some reason you don't see a brightness toggle in your control center, you can add it. First, tap the plus icon on top of your screen, and then tap Add a Control on the bottom. This opens a list of all kinds of controls you can add to your control center, and you can either type and search or scroll down to find what you need. Tap the brightness control, and it gets added to your control center. If the first page of your control center is full like mine is, the new toggle will go to a second page. You can reorganize these by dragging. So I can take this and pull it up to be always placed on the first page of my control center. You can also resize, reorganize, or remove any existing controls while you're here. Another way to adjust brightness is to go to Settings and navigate to Display and Brightness. Here you can adjust your screen brightness, change between light mode and dark mode, and change all other display-related settings like the time your iPad takes before it auto-locks the display. Hope that helps. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy guides like this.